Are you frustrated at missing a crucial movie moment because of a sneeze? Let's talk about it. So, you're watching the climactic scene of an epic movie. The hero's about to reveal the big secret, and, achoo, you missed it. You turn to your friend with that classic wait what face and they're just like, dude, you missed the best part. Now you're playing catch up, but it's not the same. Sneezes 1, you 0. Next time, keep that sneeze in check or risk living in perpetual plot confusion. Because honestly, who wants to be that person? So how do you avoid this tragic fate? Stock up on tissues, practice silent sneezes, or maybe just pause the movie. Sneezes might be inevitable, but missing the plot doesn't have to be. Remember, sneeze responsibly.